Good day, sir. I'm Rinaldo Gregorio Jr. This is my PPT, Related Literature and Studies, a foundation for research. Purpose of a literature review. Context. Situate your study within existing knowledge. Justification. Show novelty and necessity. Theory and method. Inform frameworks and methods. Gaps. Reveal answered questions. Synthesizing from summary to analysis. 1. Map. Organize themes, methods, populations. 2. Compare. Contrast findings, strengths, and limitations. 3. Interpret. Assess credibility, bias, and evidence weight. Theoretical frameworks. Anchor research questions. Link concepts to measurable variables. Conceptual model. Visualize relationships and hypotheses. Operationalization turns constructs into indicators. Empirical studies, methods and findings. Design. Experimental, quasi-experiment, observational, qualitative. Samples, size, representativeness, inclusion or exclusion. Measures and analysis, validity, reliability, statistical techniques. Findings, consistent effects, mixed results, nulls. Identifying gaps and contradictions. Population gaps, age, location, context. Method gaps, longitudinal versus cross-sectional. Inconsistent findings and contradictory theories. Understudied outcomes or mechanisms. Frame gaps as opportunities for contributions. Structuring your review. Chronological. Trace development over time. Thematic. Group by topics or concepts. Methodological. Compare study designs and rigor. Integrative. Synthesize across perspectives. Integrating literature into your research. Use literature to refine hypotheses. Justify methods and sample choices. Position contributions versus prior work. Conclusion. Strengthening research through informed inquiry. Insight. Build on, not repeat, prior work. Focus. Align questions, theory, methods. Impact. Fill gaps for meaningful contributions. That's all, sir. Thank you.